Are you ready for the Diwali? And this Diwali, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 eco-friendly ways of celebrating Diwali with lots of fun and in the most safe manner. So are you ready for the video? Number 1. Diwali is the time to ensure that you're removing all the bad and embracing a lot of good things into your life. So the first thing that you can do is to ensure that you are removing all the unwanted clutters from your house and start decorating your house with lots and lots of beautiful things. Number 2, sweets. My favorite is also sweets, and eating sweets actually brings lots and lots of happy hormones in our body. It segregates lots of happy hormones in our body. So that is why Diwali is so famous for sweets, so that we are all spending the time so happily and celebrating with each other and sharing that happiness also to each other. So that is why there's a culture of eating and doing a lot of sweets and also sharing the sweets with lots and lots of people as much as possible to celebrate, harness a lot of happiness inside us and share that happiness to all the people around us. Number 3 is to ensure that we are also taking care of our environment. As you all know, the pets or the birds are the ones who are going to be really terrified during Diwali. So please ensure that you are giving a lot of shelter or food to your pet and taking care of all the environment with a safe Diwali. Have some food for the birds and take care of as many animals or pets next to you. So that way you're going to ensure that your Diwali is also making a safe environment for all the pet animals and the birds around you. Number 4, share your gifts or a lot of new things to orphanages or the needy people. So there are a lot of people around us who don't have anybody for celebrating this Diwali with. So let us ensure that we are making some time to go and spend some time with them and share as much as possible in the form of gifts or sweets, or just the time with them is more than enough for them. So that way you're going to also share your happiness and your care to all the needy people around you. Number 5 to number 10 is going to be on the day of Diwali, how you can celebrate in an eco-friendly way and most fun way. So number 5, send messages to all the people whom you know. That way you're going to be sharing the Diwali wishes to all the people, and actually this is going to be a way of reminding people that yes, I'm also there and I want to be a part of your happiness. So send a message. You can create a broadcast list with all your well-wishers and send a Diwali wish to all of them. And number 6 is going to be make video call conferencing with all your good friends and relatives whom we are in the busy schedule of our lives we have forgotten to be in touch with. You can now take time to make some time for them. Have a video conferencing call that will really refresh a lot of memories and happiness together. Light lot of lamps. Deepavali was normally known as Deepam Oli, which means that lighting of lamps. That is removing all the darkness and lighting the lives with lamps. So that was a culture that was before, where they removed all the darkness from the world and started lighting lamps so that there is a lot of light and hope and positivity at home. So that is going to be your 7. And number 8 is wear new clothes. That actually brings out a lot of new energy into you. So wearing clothes is something which is going to be really helpful for all of us and wanting for all of us. That is why all the streets are also crowded with lot of people. So please ensure that when you're going to shop to buy your new clothes, you also wear your mask and have a very safe shopping. So wear new clothes on your Diwali that lighten up your spirit. Number 9, you can ensure that you are dancing your heart out. Put a lot of songs and start dancing with your family. That is going to boost up your spirit and the fun is going to be extraordinary. And number 10 is going to be watch a movie with your family or your loved ones together at home. In your TV you can connect it using your laptop, you can connect it a movie, or in Amazon Prime or anything, you can watch a movie together and that is going to light up the spirit. Alright, so these are 10 ways of celebrating Diwali in an eco-friendly manner and ensuring that the fun is also not compromised. So are you ready to celebrate Diwali in such a beautiful way of eco-friendliness? And share your experience in the comment section below so that we also come to know if there's anything more that is exciting than these 10 ways. Please share it in the comment section so that everyone else also gets new ideas to celebrate Diwali with lots of fun. Wishing you abundance of happiness and success.